Hello friends, welcome to this channel. Friends, in this video we are going to practice more than 30 sentences. This is going very important for you. So let's start. मैं अभी थोड़ा व्यस्त हूँ. I'm a bit busy right now. मैं अभी थोड़ा व्यस्त हूँ. I'm a bit busy right now. क्या तुम मुझे सुन रहे हो? Are you listening to me? क्या तुम मुझे सुन रहे हो? Are you listening to me? मुझे बाहर जाना है. I have to go outside. मुझे बाहर जाना है. I have to go outside. बारिश हो रही है. It's raining. बारिश हो रही है. It's raining. यह मेरा पसंदीदा गाना है. This is my favorite song. This is my favorite song. क्या तुम मेरे साथ चलोगे? Will you come with me? क्या तुम मेरे साथ चलोगे? Will you come with me? मैं मोबाइल चार्ज कर रहा हूँ. I'm charging the phone. I'm charging the phone. वह बहुत मेहनती लड़का है. He is very hard working boy. He is very hard working boy. मुझे तुम पर गर्व है. I'm proud of you. मुझे तुम पर गर्व है. I'm proud of you. यह बहुत महंगा है. This is very expensive. यह बहुत महंगा है. This is very expensive. तुम हमेशा देर से आते हो. You always come late. तुम हमेशा देर से आते हो. You always come late. मेरा सिर दर्द कर रहा है. I have a headache. I have a headache. क्या तुमने खाना खाया? Did you eat food? Did you eat food? वह स्कूल नहीं गया. He didn't go to school. वह स्कूल नहीं गया. He didn't go to school. मैं कल फोन करूंगा. I will call tomorrow. I will call tomorrow. क्या आप मेरी मदद कर सकते हैं? Can you help me? Can you help me? यह तुम्हारे लिए है. This is for you. यह तुम्हारे लिए है. This is for you. मैं बहुत खुश हूँ. I'm very happy. मैं बहुत खुश हूँ. I'm very happy. वह मुझसे नाराज है. She is angry with me. She is angry with me. मुझे तुम्हारा जवाब चाहिए. I need your answer. मुझे तुम्हारा जवाब चाहिए. I need your answer. अब चलो यहाँ से. Let's go from here now. चलो यहाँ से. Let's go from here now. मुझे कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा है. I don't understand anything. I don't understand anything. दरवाजा धीरे बंद करो. Close the door slowly. Close the door slowly. यह किसका है? Whose is this? Whose is this? तुम कितने साल के हो? How old are you? How old are you? वह बहुत अच्छा इंसान है. He is a very good person. He is a very good person. मैं कुछ नया सीखना चाहता हूँ. I want to learn something new. I want to learn something new. क्या आप मुझसे नाराज हैं? Are you angry with me? Are you angry with me? तुम बहुत समझदार हो. You are very smart. You are very smart. मैं कुछ सोच रहा हूँ. I'm thinking something. I'm thinking something. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, then hit the like button and make sure to subscribe this channel for more.